Welcome to Trading with Rich. This is a course where you can actually learn how to buy and sell stocks and rent your stocks out and cut yourself a check every Friday. Earn anywhere from 15 to 25% or more. Let's beat the market. Follow me on the YouTube channel Trading with Rich and follow us on the mobile app. Hi, welcome to Trading with Rich. My name is Rich Dickey and this is my wife Elma.
Welcome to Trading of Rich.
And we are a team that is dedicated to helping people learn how to trade stocks, understand the psychology of stock trading, buying, purchasing, managing your portfolio. We hate to invest our money with a mutual fund manager who's going to charge us so much each year, and in our case it's thousands of dollars, just to sit on our stock and leave it in the market, see whether it goes up, goes down. As you see, Elma's here with me. This is Elma and I in Chicago. This is Elma and I with my three boys. As you can see, everybody's taller and bigger than I am. Who am I and what is my past? Well, I graduated from the University of Iowa. I started out at Kroger as an assistant manager in the management training program. Quickly went into the office to be a buyer. Became a head buyer with Kroger, moved from Dallas to Houston, non-foods. When I went over to McLean, I went over as a purchasing agent, but quickly became a director and then a vice president of purchasing, and ended up buying for about 400 Walmart stores and about 10,000 convenience stores. Up there, I went to work for Radio Shack, Sears. I was a senior vice president for Medallion Tobacco. I was in charge of all the sales and marketing. At Radio Shack, I was a district manager. At Sears, I was director of strategy for all the appliances for the whole company. And at McLean, of course, I was a vice president of purchasing. At Huck's Convenience Stores, I was the vice president of merchandising and purchasing for the 150 store convenience store chain. I worked for Star Power for 3 years, and I was the vice president of sales for their 6 stores in Arizona and Dallas. So as you can see, experience in consulting and running movie theaters. I had 7 movie theaters up in the Midwest. When I was working for myself, that was when I had Medallion Tobacco and I was selling that nationwide. I also started opening these movie theaters more or less as a hobby, but it really became more than what I thought it would be. I thought I was just going to have the first one there in Carmi, Illinois, but I ended up opening them, and like the second one there is Sparta. There's 6 screens in Sparta. It's still there, and in some of my lessons I pop up some photos on that. But I ended up owning 7 movie theaters. Really loved it. So as you can see, a lot of experience in a lot of businesses. So what I'm going to show you is the table of contents over here on the left. Of course, it's much bigger than this, but kind of give you an idea. These are some of the topics that you'll be covering in all the lessons. But the main thing I want to stress to you is that I'm going to teach you a strategy on how to treat this like it's a business. It's a grocery store. It's like a rental property. You're buying the inventory, you're letting it sit on the shelf, and then you're trading the premiums and renting them out every week, 2 weeks, 30 days. You can do it 60 days, you can do it a year. But you're renting out the premiums, and then when the expiration dates hit, you're letting it expire, or you've done some maintenance on it before that and had an exit strategy. I'm a retailer at heart, and I like to think of things in return on investment. How often are you going to turn those goods? Okay, so just follow the strategy of picking the right premiums that'll work every 2 weeks to 30. Yeah, get those premiums and turn those premiums. And what I'm going to do through a number of different portfolios is show you how to do that in real life. If we do 15 to 25% and we do that really well, sometimes hit 40, sometimes hit 30, you will double your money every 3 years, and depending on how young you are, you'll be able to compound that up to some pretty good chunks. There's no better time to start investing in yourself than now, today. Invest, take control of your life, take control of your financial independence. Don't be the one sitting on your thumbs hoping that the stock just grows. I'm going to show you my Social Security statement. I'm going to show you stories from places I've worked in the past. I'm going to show you everything that I've done. I'm going to show you everything I've done. I'm going to show you the return on capital, like down here in the example of this spreadsheet. I'm going to actually show you everything I've earned every year. There's nothing you can ask me that I won't answer. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going to be a coach, and I'll coach you on the philosophy of how to trade. So please think about joining the Trading with Rich membership club. This is a course where you can actually learn how to buy and sell stocks and rent your stocks out and cut yourself a check every Friday. Earn anywhere from 15 to 25% or more. Let's beat the market. Follow me on the YouTube channel Trading with Rich and follow us on the mobile app.